This brief video will show you how to request articles, books, and other items through Wayne State Library's Interlibrary Loan System, referred to as ILL. If you have searched for an article or other item through Summon, databases, the catalog, or other library holdings, and found that it is not available in our collections, you can request a copy through ILL. ILL is a free-of-charge delivery service provided by Wayne State University Libraries. ILL allows Wayne State students access to articles and other materials that the libraries do not currently have access to. You may also order books that are not available through Michigan Electronic Library MEL statewide borrowing system. While searching, you may have selected an item and landed on a page that states, "Sorry, this item is not immediately available. Request via Interlibrary Loan." Select the Request Full Text button to be taken to the ILL login page. You can also place a request in ILL by going to the library homepage, library.wayne.edu, and then selecting Interlibrary Services from the banner at the top of the page. Once on the Interlibrary Services page, select the Interlibrary Loan button. At the login page, enter your access ID and password and select the Logon to Iliad button. If it is the first time you have used Interlibrary Loan, you will be prompted to fill out a registration form. You must complete the information fields indicated as required. You can use your Wayne State University or personal email address. This is where notifications and the article link will be delivered. Select the department that best describes your major or place of employment if faculty or staff at the university. Your selection does not impact your service. Next, select which describes your role at the university. Then select the delivery location for print materials. Please note, you may only select mail to address if you are a student in a fully online program. Please use the address to which you would like to receive any mail notifications. Next, select how you would like to be notified about the changes to your account and the status of your request. You can update these preferences at any time. When you're finished, select Submit Information to complete the form. Once you have created an account, you will be taken to the home page. From the blue banner at the top of the page, select New Request. You'll be prompted to select the document type for the item you want. In this video, we'll be selecting Article. Next, you'll be prompted to enter information about the item you are requesting. If you have navigated to ILL through a Request Full Text link, item information may be pre-populated. Just scroll to the bottom and select the Submit button to process your request. Please note, only certain fields are required, but the more information you can provide, the more quickly your request can be processed. When you've submitted your request, you'll be taken back to the ILL homepage. You should be able to see your item under Outstanding Request. Select the item record to edit or cancel the request. You can also track the progress of your request here. Typically, digital materials will be delivered to your email within 2 business days. Physical material requests may take several days for processing and delivery. You will get a notification to your Wayne State University or preferred email address that will notify you when your item is ready.